Did you know that there are 3 types of extinction procedures? Yes, it's true. And that's because there are specific consequences that maintain behavior. And so during extinction, those consequences are withheld. And the extinction procedures of which I speak are specific to the type of maintaining consequences for behavior. So first we have positive reinforcement extinction. This means withholding, you guessed it, positive reinforcement when a behavior is maintained by positive reinforcement. And more specifically, positive reinforcement could be in the form of attention or access to tangibles. Maybe you've heard of it called attention extinction. Well, that's positive reinforcement extinction, when a behavior is maintained by attention. The extinction procedure in that case would involve withholding attention after the behavior occurs. The other variation is tangibles extinction, right? And this is used when a behavior is maintained by access to items or activities. And so the procedure, the positive reinforcement extinction procedure, would involve withholding the item or activity after the behavior occurs. Then we have negative reinforcement extinction. This means withholding negative reinforcement when a behavior is maintained by, of course, negative reinforcement. Also, you've probably heard of this as escape extinction. So if you see negative reinforcement extinction, just know they're talking about escape extinction and then withholding escape when a behavior is maintained by escape from a task or a demand. In this procedure, the demand is not removed following the behavior. There is no escape. That's the key. The individual no longer escapes the demand when they engage in a target behavior. And finally, last but not least, automatic reinforcement extinction. This means withholding automatic reinforcement. So when a behavior is maintained by automatic reinforcement, that's what you're going to hold back. Maybe you've heard it described as sensory extinction. Now, in this process, a sensory or automatic consequence is prevented. This is a difficult procedure since we would need to have access to the sensory consequence, but sometimes there's ways to arrange the environment so that the specific behavior doesn't contact or result in that sensory consequence. So the takeaway, an extinction procedure is defined by the maintaining consequence that's being withheld during that procedure. And that means function, positive, negative, and automatic reinforcement.